Hi guys, welcome to Collect Government Job. There is a big and surprise update from Youth Corporation of India Junior Assistant Aspirant. Generally, for typing test, those candidates are called who qualify in CBT. Okay, but JCI has called all candidates who appeared in CBT for typing test. I recently made a video regarding JCI typing test, and many candidates in comment section are saying that they got SMS regarding typing test. If you see official website, then at present there is no update regarding typing test date. Okay, but already many candidates have downloaded admit card for typing test. In official website, exam date will upload soon. But it is now clear that all candidates who appeared in CBT have been called for typing test, no matter whether they are getting 1 mark or 100 mark. So your final merit list will be prepared after typing test. So many candidates are thinking, now I am getting in CBT according to answer key. Suppose someone is getting 60, 70, 80, 90 or more than 90 score. So at what score should I go for typing test? See, at present, if you are OBC EWS candidate, then if you are getting 70 plus score, then you should go for typing. Tomorrow I make a detailed video regarding this, why you should go for typing even if you are getting low score in CBT. So guys, that's it in this video. Thanks for watching this video.